Hello everyone. Uh, Indefinite integration 7 marks LAQ question. Now we'll discuss integration 2 cos x plus 3 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x dx. This question from Telugu Academy, you can find it is in exercise 6.60 page number 232. And Deepthi publication book is example 6.4.4. Okay, now we'll discuss this question. Whenever this model question is given to you, that is, the model is a cos x plus b sin x by, it is c cos x plus d sin x dx. Whenever they are given to you, the formula we are always applying numerator is equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator. Sorry, this dr mean it is not doctor, it is denominator. Okay, here by using this formula we have to find a and b constants. Okay, now let us take the numerator is given. The given question numerator is, this is the 2 cos x plus 3 sin x is equal to a into d by dx of denominator is 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus b into denominator is 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Okay, so that is equal to a into d by dx of 4 cos x. 4 into cos x is the minus sin x plus b 5 into cos x sin x derivative is the cos x plus b into 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Okay, if you have taken the cos x common, then it is the cos x combination is 5a, 5 into a, 5a, and it is the 4 into b is the 4b into cos x plus, and sin x common, then it is the minus 4a, and this is the plus 5b into sin x. Now if you compare like terms on both sides, mean this side, left side is 2 cos x plus 3 sin x is there. Okay, comparing like terms on both sides. So that is cos x coefficient is here 2, mean it is like 2 is equal to, here cos x coefficient is 5a plus 4b. Let us take this equation 1, and sin x coefficient on the left hand side 3 is equal to, on the right hand side, minus 4a plus 5b. It is the equation 2. Equation 1 into 4 if you multiply, if equation 2 into 5 if you multiply, then a will be cancelled. So that is solving the equation 1 and 2, that is 1 into 4 plus 2 into 5. That implies what we can write here, it is 8 is equal to 20a plus 16b, and equation 2 into 5 mean it is the 15 is equal to it is 5, I mean 20a, and 5 into 5 is the 25b. So by adding these two equations, this is the minus is here, minus, these two will cancel, then it is 23 is equal to 41b. So therefore b is equal to we got as 23 by 41. So if you substitute b value any one of the equation 1, equation 2, any one of the equation, then a value will get as minus 2 by 41, like this. If you substitute these two values in this equation here, in this equation, okay, don't substitute here, then if you substitute here, then it will get the same answer, left hand side. Substitute here. Okay, so then numerator will become as, numerator is, what is the numerator we got is, the numerator is it is, I am taking the numerator as 2 cos x plus 3 sin x is equal to, here a value is minus 2 by 41 into, it is a minus 4 sin x plus 5 cos x, and here b value we got as 23 by 41 into, b value is v into, it is a cos 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. So replace this numerator in the given question. The given question, if you replace this numerator, this is 2 cos x plus 3 sin x by this value, then it will be changed as, it is that is integration of minus 2 by 41 into minus 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus 23 by 41 into 4 cos x plus 5 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x dx. In the numerator there are the two terms are there separated by plus. So now separate the numerator by denominator. Okay, so it will be become as, what is this, minus 2 by 41 is a constant, it is out of the integration process. Then it is the minus 4 sin x plus 5 cos x by, it is the 4 cos x plus 5 sin x dx plus 23 by 41 is a constant. It is coming out of the integration process and integration is separated. Then integration of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x by, it is the denominator is, what is the denominator? It is separated by denominator, mean it is a 4 cos x plus 5 sin x dx. See, if you observe this, these two are same, these two will be cancelled. Okay, and if you observe this one, cos x derivative is the minus sin x, 4 is same as it is, and sin x derivative is the cos x, 5 is same as it is, mean it is the f dash of x by f of x. What is the formula for the integration of f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to the log mod of f of x plus c. This is the formula. If you apply this one, then your answer will become as minus 2 by 41 into log mod of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x and plus c, but it is a 23 by 41 into, this both will be cancelled, mean integration of 1 dx. Integration of 1 dx will be the, it is the x, and finally c. So this is the answer for our question. Okay, so the question is 7 mark question, very simple question, we completed in one page.